Alright guys, Hunter here with Injected Motorsports. We're putting on the Morimoto headlights on 11 through 16 F250. I'm going to show you something real quick. We already got these wired up on this side, but I figured I'll show you. It's pretty simple. We already taped these up. This is your power wire or your fuse wire that'll go under here to your battery. It'll go under there. Right there. It's number 50. You can see it right here. In the middle there, you fuse tap it. Which will show you here, number 50 on your cover. After you do that, plug everything up. Factory, you can it'll all go together. If you want the sequential, they say to actually unplug this wire here. It's the green and purple, but actually on this style you leave these plugged in if you want sequential, and I'll show you that here in a minute. If you unplug these, actually, if you just want a regular, just a blinking turn signal, that's the only thing that's a little bit backwards on some of their stuff. But yeah, outside of that, everything, you just, that's your side marker, high and low beam cord, and then I just taped all this rest of it up right here, nice and neat. You got your 10mm, got 4, one here on the top, 2, 3, and then there's one at the bottom, which is that light up there. It is. It'll go there. Now I just run the wire loom and run it on top, securing it out of the way. Same with this style. This one's already buttoned up, ready to go. It's the same thing. Match your wires. Plug them in. Like I said, leave it plugged in if you want sequential. Nice and sleek design. Alright guys, here is what I was talking about with the sequential. If you leave it plugged in, it's pretty good. If you want just a regular one, remember, you just plug it in. Unplug. I'll show you here in a minute, nighttime, what it looks like, high and low, and then the turn signals. Alright guys, here we're finally outside when it's dark. Test them out, so you'll hit your key fob, they'll turn your orange. That's your running light. Look really slick. Spot the turn and everything here. As you can tell, great cutoff line there. They might need to be adjusted just a hair, but this is your low beams here. They are super bright. There's the high beam. Like I said, it's kind of a tough, not the best on the garage here. But we'll take another video later and post a follow-up on it when we're out in the country or something. But here's the high beams again. Very nice line and spot. Here's your full-on headlight. Here's your sequential turn. Alright guys, I appreciate y'all just giving us a little quick rundown of this. Like I said, nothing crazy, maybe a 30 to 45 minute install. You actually don't even have to take the grill all the way out if you don't want to. I didn't. You can actually get enough room in there, but like I said, just easier sometimes to pull it off with those 4 little clips, but it can be done without doing it. So there we go. Thanks guys.